In this video, I'll show you how to translate speaking into text in a different language through Google Translate. You'll know how to select a language for the speaker and for the person being translated to, and then how to use this tool directly from Google Translate. So this is helpful in a school setting for non-English native speakers who are trying to learn English, or students who are learning a foreign language can also use this tool. So here's Google Translate. Just go to Google, look up Google Translate, and it's translate.google.com. And this is what you'll see when you open it up. It's on detect language right now. When you're on detect language, it won't let you use voice input because it doesn't know what language necessarily. So let's press English, and I'm going to speak in English, and then I'll choose a language over here. So let's translate into Japanese. And then we'll turn on voice input. How is your day going? And then press stop. And now you can play it in the other language by pressing listen.
調子はどう?
So now the person that you're translating to can see what you said and also hear. So you can also just type something in. So if you type something in, it will show you in English what you typed and then in Japanese, and you can still listen to it in either language.
Where's the bathroom?
And then
化粧
Japanese.
室はどこですか?
So this is a good tool for people that are trying to learn the foreign language, or for students who may not speak English proficiently yet that are trying to learn in the school environment. If you want to go to a different language that you don't see over here, all you do is press this and it gives you the whole list of languages. So we can pick from any of these languages and then we can translate from any of these languages. So the box on the left is the person who is speaking or typing, and then the box on the right is the translation. And then if you want to make a copy of this so you can paste it somewhere else, press this button. If you want to suggest an edit, and if you speak the other language and you see something's a little off with the way that it translated, you can suggest edits, which only makes Google Translate more effective at translating things. And then you can share a translation with other people by pressing share translation. And then you can email it or Twitter. So that is how we use Google Translate.